Good day, I'm Jelson once again and welcome to our Facebook page. Today we will feature also an unboxing or an unzipping. And this is what we call the Angel Secret Original Negative Ion Core Sanitary Napkins and Panty Liners. Oops! Don't turn off the video, okay? I know I'm a guy, but I will be unpacking sanitary napkins. It's okay because I've been doing this since 2011. And besides, I'm a husband, I'm a father, so in a way, I'm also an expert here, okay? So as you can see, this is the Angel Secret packaging, okay? This is the bag, okay? It's very, very well thought of. Why? It's not just any other packaging, but instead, it's a recyclable eco bag that you can use. For example, when it's already empty, you can use it for any other purpose again. Okay, you can reuse it, you can recycle it. And then, what's inside is equally amazing, of course, if not more amazing. So we have here, this is what you call the dynamic set. Dynamic set meaning it has 6 packs of panty liners, 6 packs of day pads, and 6 packs of overnight pads with 2 free packs. Here you go. The 2 free packs of panty liners. Again, free. 2 free packs of panty liners in this dynamic set. Okay, so as you can see. And now, we have here the 6 packs all together are bundled into 6s by virtue of this plastic. This is called the Ultra Pack. Okay, so this one, as you can see, this Ultra Pack contains 6 packs of the panty liner, the green one. Okay, and then we have here the Ultra Pack that contains the overnight pads. Okay, so the purple one. And then lastly, inside, we have here the Ultra Pack, okay, featuring 6 packs of the day pads. Okay, so this is the blue one. For the day pads, in each pack, it contains 10 pads. For the overnight pack, okay, this one, the overnight pack has 8 pads. Whereas, the panty liner pack has 30 pads or 30 pieces in each packaging. Okay? So what makes Angel's Secret stand out in the market is that this is the original manufacturing quality of the negative ion strip since 2007. Okay? Anyone else there can claim that their napkin, their panty liners have negative ion strips. I cannot say much about them, but all I can say is that with Angel's Secret, this is the safest, this is the original. That's why it's only Angel Secret that has, number 1, the certificate for radiation screening, meaning our negative ion strip is totally safe. Whereas there have been brands that have been confiscated in other parts of the world because they were found to be radioactive. But with Angel Secret, you can be sure that you're using only the best. Okay, the best and the safest material out there. Number 2, we also have the certificate of non-use of bleach, meaning there's no artificial whitening chemicals that have been used in our pads, unlike in any other pads or panty liners out there. And of course, we also have a certificate about the antimicrobial property of our negative ion strip. Apart from having 6,500 quantity of negative ion strip per centimeter of our negative ion strip, okay? The content of the negative ions in that strip is very, very effective in terms of its antibacterial properties. It really eliminates bacteria from the pads and the panty liners. That's why women are safe whenever they use Angel Secret. And that's it for now. As mentioned, this is the amazing Angel Secret sanitary napkins and panty liners available internationally only through registered distributors of JM International like me and my wife. See you next time.